What's up all massive, you don't know, big up every time again and welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. Right now from you see the title of this video, you know what time is it, you know what go on, you know how Jamaica set right now, we actually there at the viewing of the great, the legend, Merciless. As you can see with the outside and with the right on Church Street, see? Right on Church Street with the Mapen, Clarendon, you see me? Right down a theme place. So we're outside and it's a viewing and the body just arrived and we're going to take a look inside and to show you exactly what is going on today of the viewing of his body. Alright, you don't know Merciless is a big entertainer, big DJ over the years, many hit songs. You understand? You don't know songs like We Are the Girl Them the Gizada. You understand me? I say trust me. So we're there and we just have to pay our respect and show you exactly what I want. So remember, if you watch thus far and you have not liked the video, please me I ask you right now if you click the like button. Right now me I wait 1,000 likes me I look for right now upon a video here in the next 10 minutes. What I wanna say? Make you show what I want. You see me I say? So it's all about that. Correct? So you don't know. So what we're gonna do now is just show you. And you see, we're outside, vendors are out. So if you want juice, if you want food, you can get it. You see me I say? Alright, so let's do this. Remember, drop a comment, drop some line of Merciless songs in the comment section and make we just go on and make him think live on. See? Let's do this. Listen me no man, anywhere people are going to gather in Jamaica, you see if them, the pan are not there, that means the thing not festive. Because from people are gather, you have to have chicken. You understand? You jerk pan have to roll out. Big up yourself, my general. What's the man name?
Barrington.
You don't know, big up Barrington. Barrington out here with the portable jerk shop.
Yes.
You understand me I say? Sure I'll go sneak peek. Alright, see there? Chicken pan the grill, we have some ready ones over there. Yeah. I don't know them on the right and our grill down. See me, Barrington.
Yes.
Big up every time. I come to show you respect, same speed,
yes,
same way though. Alright, so we are going to take a look and go inside. Theme jerk pan. Long time. Alright, big up my boss.